Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule meetings in HubSpot CRM in just a few simple steps. First, click Meeting Scheduler from the Sales menu and the Meetings page loads. Click the Create Scheduling Page button, and a Choose a Scheduling Page type modal appears, with several meeting format options. Click the One-on-One card to open the Create One-on-One Meeting wizard, which starts on the Overview step. Type an internal name for your meeting. For this example, I'm using Test Meeting. Click Next to move to the scheduling step, where you can configure duration and availability settings. Click Next again to reach the automation step, where you can set up follow-up actions. Finally, click Create Scheduling Page, and a Schedule Page Published modal appears, confirming your meeting link is live. Your scheduling page generates a unique link that you can share with anyone who needs to book time with you. You can customize the booking page with your own branding, description, and even add custom questions for attendees to answer when they book. You'll find all your meeting links back on the main meetings page if you need to edit the duration or availability later. The internal name you set is only visible to you and your team, not to people booking meetings. And anyone with the link can see your available slots based on the calendar you connected. So keep your calendar current before sharing it. That's how to schedule meetings in HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.